Hi, thanks for watching Bitcourse tutorial. Now in this short video I'll show you how to add a sticker to your picture. So first you go to your PhotoGrid app, then you click on edit, and you click on any picture you want to add a sticker to, or your logo could be the sticker. Then you click on sticker at the bottom here, and you click on clip right there, then you click on create. Now once you're here, you would now navigate to where you have, click on sticker, clip, create, sorry. Then you navigate to where you have your logo on your phone. Okay, here is ours. Then you click on simple here, click on this circular one, just get your logo into this circle here, then you click OK at the top here, and that's it. Then you place your logo wherever you want to add it on your picture. You could increase it, you could reduce it, you could play with it any way you feel like. And once you're done, then you press next, then just press save, close this ad, and voila, add this, and it's saved to your phone. Thanks for watching. If you love this video, please like below, share with your friends, and also subscribe to get latest videos like this.